Viewing key contact details while building or viewing the account map in Lucidchart provides better insight into the individual and can help you save time as you're working close to the deal. To view these contact details, click on the contact card icon in the bottom right corner of any contact shape. You'll see various fields like department, email, and phone number. These fields can be customized and changed by your Salesforce admin, so you may be seeing different fields than those being shown in this video. If there are fields you feel would be helpful to see as you're navigating your deals, you may want to speak with your manager or your Salesforce admin. Phone numbers and emails can be clicked on to follow the default settings on your computer. Many reps have their default email client or dialer go through helpful sales tools like Outreach or Inside Sales. Clicking on these fields from Lucidchart will follow the same settings you've placed on your machine. If you need to make changes to these fields when you're on a call or working the account, you can select Edit in the top right corner and make those changes directly in Lucidchart without having to go back into Salesforce. And any changes you make here will be immediately and automatically pushed to Salesforce. If you'd like to view the contact details in Salesforce, click on the Contact Details tile, and you'll be routed to that page within Salesforce. If you make any changes to that information in Salesforce, those changes will be displayed in Lucidchart upon clicking Refresh on the left side of the canvas or by refreshing the page.